So we're going to clean up some puppies. It's done regularly with 11 of them in their whelping box. They get dirty from their food and, well, their mess. Start out with, Purple. Hi, Purple. So give them a good rinse. Nice lukewarm water. There we go, puppy. Get all the cake stuff off of you. Good puppy. Yes. Good puppy. Okay. Let's wash your muzzle a bit. Good puppy. There you go. Okay. Rinse them off really good. Then today we don't, maybe once a week or so, we clean them up with a bit of shampoo using Burt's Bees because it doesn't have the scent or anything on it that Pearl doesn't like. She still cleans them up. And there we go, puppy. Get you all nice slathered up. Very good. Oh, get that belly, your armpits, paws, chest, behind your ears, back legs, oh yeah, your bum, your tail. There we go. Okay. Now just a drop here. One drop. Good enough. That's it. Clean up those ears and that muzzle. Good puppy. Okay. And that's about it for washing a puppy at this size. They will, before they go, they'll be going a few at a time in the bathtub. And get good and soaked. Rinse off really well. Good puppy. Yes. There we go. Get all that off of there. Oh, you're so nice and clean. Oh, are you ever soft once you've been washed? There you go, little Miss Purple. Rinse that belly. Good girl. This is just a nice, lukewarm, very soothing. And yes, they get used to this because it's done fairly often. A clean puppy is a happy puppy. And happy people, because then they will tend to want to stay cleaner as they get older. So we just lightly squeeze out a bit of extra water out of you, not squeezing too much, and there you go. A nice towel. Whoops, get you all dried off. Good puppy. Hey Tangle, you're ready for a bath too. That snowfall today, you guys really love that. Dug up a bit of mud because it's so wet. Get you all nice and dried up here, puppy. Yes. Oh, that feels good, doesn't it? Good girl. Let's get some more dry parts on that towel. There. Under your arms, your back. Oh, back legs. There you go, sweetie. Your tail. Maybe one good scrunchy rubbing. Oh, yes. Good puppy. How was that? You look happier. Okay, so now they go into a container. I have a warmed up towel for her in the container. And now we move on to the next puppy. That's how we're doing it right now. Keeps them all happy. And keeps Mom and me happy too.